Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like May. This is Sherry. Today, for the very first time, I will test out this premium artificial nail set from Ardell. Price-wise, it is very affordable. You can get this for $8. Although their selection is quite limited, the designs are not basic. I love the designs that they have, particularly this one. This is the Nail Addict Premium Artificial Nail Set in Nude Jeweled. It is a coffin shape and the size of this is long, but surprisingly, even if I have small nails, I was still able to wear it. So the packaging is the same with most of the press-on nails I see in the market right now. This kit contains 24 nails, professional nail glue, nail file, and a cuticle stick, which are basically the normal things you will see in any press-on kits. This is the current situation of my nails. Let's make it fab, shall we? For the sizing, you can find it right on this area. Take your time in picking the nail size. It can be very hard, I know, I understand, because the nail sizes are super small, but you really have to pick the best ones that fits your nails because it can affect whether your nails will stay on for days or not. You can file it if needed, of course. For me, the only tricky nail that I have is my pinky because it is super small. While I was picking the nails, I found this pair. They have the same number, but it has different style and color. It's a little annoying when this happens. I have said already that I have small nails. This kit happens to be large and my sizing is of course limited. Personally, it just makes things more easy when nails with the same number also has the same design. It just makes more sense. Later on this video, you will see me paint my nails to make it look the same. Here I am just buffing my nails. You'll see the instruction obviously on the kit. It is so easy to follow. Here are the nails that I'll use. It is better to lay them like this so that it will be easier to put them later. I'm holding the glue now, already popped the top, it's ready to use. Be very careful in handling the glue, you don't want to get it on your skin. I already did the left hand, so now it's time for the right. Hold it in place for 20 to 30 seconds, or if you want, you can go and hold it for a minute to just make sure that the nail is right there and secure. Almost done. It looks super fancy and it looks really good. All I have to do is paint that pinky. Painted both of the pinky and now they look the same. I love the way it turned out. It really is an amazing design. I love it. I got a lot of compliments when I wore this, but I think when I wore this, I had to get them off like after 5 days because COVID started and I started to wash my hands frequently and I don't know what's going on. When I was wearing this, it was the beginning of pandemic, so I decided to just, take them off for a while since I still don't know how to adjust to the craziness. But overall, I really, really love my nails. I think I'm gonna buy this particular design again from them just because I really, really love how it looks. And that's my review for the premium artificial nail set from Ardell. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It will tremendously make my day. I love you guys. Bye everyone. I will see you next time.